Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Fusion. That generation here from year 2013 to year 2020, if you have one of those. If you guys need to find where the brake light switch fuse is located, which fuse you need to check, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, all that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So let us tell you a little bit about us guys. When we get a car here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos absolutely to you guys. We make a video about every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car doesn't start, you can easily identify what causes that. You can search for engine starter fuse, fuel pump fuse. Let's say that's a problem, you replace it, you're back in the road. It takes less than 2 minutes to watch the video guys. So that will be guys our mission, to make your life easier and to solve your problem. Now in addition guys, we have other channels as well. We make 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage, take them completely apart. We do engine work, transmission, body work, engine codes, fuses, anything like that. Now why we do that? To save you money guys. So on this Ford Fusion there are different years, okay, through the different models through the years from 2013 all the way to 2020. There will be some minor differences about the fuses. So if you notice that we mention up to 2-3 different fuses for the same thing, it could be because it could be a different fuse for a different year, but we're trying to help all of you with that generation Ford Fusion. So let's start on it now. So guys, the brake light switch fuses, where you can expect to find them, you may need to check up to 2 of them. We will demonstrate on that generation Ford Fusion. We'll be working in a fuse box that's located under the hood. So open the hood, and here on the driver's side you see that box. You have a cover that looks like a T, remove it, and underneath you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So another thing guys, before I forget, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Ford Fusion or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste your money and time. So guys, now what do you need to check specifically? We need to check 2 fuses. Now for the brake light switch, if it doesn't work, we by the way have multiple videos on our YouTube channels how to test brake light switch, so you can find out if it's bad. But you see that double fuse here, that's fuse number 54 and 55 integrated in one fuse guys. It's 2 fuses in one, so that 54 is one of them. Then under these relays right here guys, under that relay which is 39, underneath you have fuse number 46, 47, 48. So the middle fuse under that relay, it's we unfortunately didn't take a good picture, but it's under that relay right here. You have 3 fuses in a row, 3 spots. The middle one guys, it's fuse 47. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.